National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Winnebago County in north-central Illinois, southwestern McHenry County in northeastern Illinois, Boone County in north-central Illinois, until 4:15 p.m. At 3:35 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Timber Lane, or near Belvidere, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, trained weather spotters. At 3:30 p.m. a report of quarter to half-inch hail was reported near Caledonia. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Poplar Grove, Candlewood Lake, Rockford, Cherry Valley, Timber Lane, Garden Prairie, Belvidere, Caledonia, and Loves Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.